Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English World Channel podcast. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Jack. We're super excited to be with you today. How are you, Sarah?
I'm doing great. I'm excited because today's topic is about something we all love. What do you like to do?
Yes, we're going to talk about hobbies and fun things we do in our free time. We'll practice some English and learn new words together.
That's right. So, everyone, get ready to talk about what you like to do. Let's have fun.
Sarah, let's start with a simple question. What do you like to do?
Good question, Jack. I like to read books. I love reading. It's one of my favorite hobbies. What about you?
I like to play soccer. I enjoy playing with my friends. It's fun and good exercise.
Oh, soccer. That's cool. I like soccer too, but I don't play it as often as I read books.
Yes, reading is great. So everyone, what about you? What do you like to do?
Say it with us. What do you like to do?
Repeat after me. What do you like to do?
So, Jack, you like to play soccer. What else do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I also like to watch movies. I love watching comedy movies. They make me laugh.
Oh, I love comedy movies too. They make me feel happy. I also like to cook. I love making new food.
Cooking is great. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. Pasta is easy and delicious. Do you like pasta, Jack?
Yes, I like pasta too. I like spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Yum! Spaghetti is my favorite. So everyone, what about you? Do you like to cook?
Say it with us. I like to cook.
Repeat after me. I like to cook. Okay, Jack, now let's ask some more questions to practice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to walk in the park. It's so relaxing. Do you like to walk, Sarah?
Yes, I like to walk too. I like to walk in the morning. It helps me feel good.
That's great. Walking is so good for your health. So everyone, do you like to walk?
Say it with us. I like to walk.
Repeat after me. I like to walk.
Family and friends. Now, let's talk about spending time with family. I like to spend time with my family. I visit my parents on weekends.
That's nice, Sarah. I also like to spend time with my family. I love talking to my grandparents.
That's lovely. Spending time with family is important. Do you like to spend time with your family?
Say it with us. I like to spend time with my family.
Repeat after me. I like to spend time with my family.
Okay, Sarah, now let's ask some more questions to practice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music. I listen to music every day. It makes me feel happy.
Oh, yes, I love listening to music too. I listen to music when I'm walking.
Music is great. So let's ask again. What do you like to do?
Yes, say it with us. What do you like to do?
Repeat after me. What do you like to do?
You can answer like this. I like to listen to music. Or I like to walk in the park.
Exactly. It's easy. Now think about it. What do you like to do?
More examples and questions. Jack, what about you? Do you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema with my friends. We watch movies and eat popcorn.
That sounds fun. I like going to the cinema too, but I also like to watch movies at home. It's more comfortable.
I agree. Watching movies at home is nice. You can wear pajamas.
Yes, pajamas are the best. So everyone, do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
Say it with us. I like to watch movies.
Repeat after me. I like to watch movies.
Learners practice. Let's practice some more. We'll ask each other some questions, and we want you to answer too.
Okay, Sarah, I'll start. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and cook. What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer and listen to music.
Great. Let's practice together now. Everyone, repeat after us. What do you like to do in your free time?
Say it with us. What do you like to do?
Now you can answer, I like to, and then your hobby.
For example, I like to play soccer, or I like to swim.
We want to hear from you. Write in the comments below. What do you like to do?
Yes, we love hearing your answers. Please share your hobbies with us.
And if you're enjoying the lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
It helps us a lot, and we want to make more lessons just for you.
We hope you had fun today. Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.
Goodbye. See you soon.